we're not interested in running up the score on anybody, but we're interested in sticking to our game plan, and that's what we did tonight. I think guys did a good job at it.
Gledat ćemo samo da pobedimo svaku utakmicu, ali nije bitno najbitnije da se pobedi sve do kraja, ne smemo da propustimo ovu dobru šansu da se plasiramo u Hrvatskoj.
Pa ništa, očekivanja su pobede, naravno u obe utakmice, idemo na pobedu. Dugo smo čekali ovakvu priliku i nadam se da ćemo iskoristiti na pravi način.
I would like to congratulate the 7 team. Thank you for the game.
Hvala za ovakvu dobru igru.
Yes, we are very good. We are unfortunately not compete like we would like to compete, but
nažalost nismo bili kompletni ove večeri.
Unfortunately this year we lose 8 good players. Different reasons they didn't come, so our team is very short.
Praktično smo morali igrati sa 8 igrača, to je znači dosta kratka klupa.
But anyway, thank you.